and go to a break. This is a break. This is not a break. The break is on the left-hand side.
Right.
So make sure when you are stopping, leave accelerator. It can't stop when you are pushing accelerator.